bite. Real little guy, but feels good to catch a fish again. It's been a while. Can't switch hands here real quick. There we go. First bass in quite some time. Haven't really got to fish much this season, but feels good to get back on the board. There's another bite. Pull. Ripped it out of his mouth. Guess I set the hook a little bit too early on that guy. Also could have just been bluegill, but you running with it? My line's moving. Yep, he was running with it. Another really tiny guy. There he is. This is a 7-inch bait. That's about it's about the size of him. At least I think it's a 7-inch bait. I believe the trench hog is that size. I know they have a junior and a normal size now, but this is their just kind of the original. I'm pretty sure it's 7 inches, but yeah, nonetheless, that guy was awful tiny. Did lose one of the appendages in that process, but we're gonna flip right back in there. Honestly, this year I've had more luck on the trench hog than I have the bandito bug, which is interesting because I'm not used to throwing these styles of baits. Never had a whole lot of luck on them. I threw the, I know it's not very similar. It's closer to like a brush hog than a trench hog, but the Strike King version, I think it's called a Rage Hog or something like that. It's got some different styles of appendages on that, but I threw that, no luck on it. It's a pretty big and bulky bait. But never put a whole lot of time into throwing those. Just kind of skipped over them, I guess, in favor of creature baits once I got turned on to the bandito bug. But maybe I'll have to make a switch and start throwing bigger baits like this, because apparently even little fish don't really care about the size. Anything that they can fit in their mouths they'll just devour. See the fishy, Viv?
Yeah.
You want to touch it? No?
Touch it.
She's scared.
It's just a fishy.
See?